Water birds are a diverse group of birds that have adapted to living in and around water. They can be found in a variety of habitats, including lakes, rivers, oceans, swamps, mangroves, and wetlands. They play an important role in the environment by helping to control populations of insects and other small animals. They also help to spread seeds and nutrients throughout the environment. Water birds typically nest in colonies, which can be found in a variety of locations, including marshes, wetlands, shorelines, and cliffs. Water bird chicks are born helpless and rely on their parents for food and protection. The chicks will stay in the nest for several weeks until they are old enough to fly and fend for themselves. Ducks are a diverse group of waterfowl found worldwide, known for their medium-sized bodies, broad bills, and webbed feet. They come in various colors and patterns, ranging from vibrant plumage to more subdued tones. Ducks and geese possess remarkable adaptations that allow them to thrive in water environments. Their webbed feet enable efficient swimming, while their waterproof feathers provide insulation and buoyancy. Geese are social birds, forming strong pair bonds and living in large groups called gaggles. On the other hand, geese, larger relatives of ducks, are recognized for their distinctive long necks, sturdy bodies, and characteristic honking calls. Geese are primarily herbivorous, feeding on grass, leaves, and grains. Their beaks are adapted for grazing, and their long necks allow them to reach vegetation in shallow water or on land. Water birds are an important part of the environment and play a vital role in the food chain. They are also a popular source of recreation for people who enjoy bird watching and fishing. By understanding the habitats, foods, chicks, and nesting habits of water birds, we can better appreciate these amazing creatures and help to protect them for future generations. These birds are facing a number of threats, including habitat loss, pollution, and climate change. We can all help to protect water birds by supporting organizations that are working to conserve their habitats and by reducing our impact on the environment.